Hey YouTube, how's it going? This is Octane Red 392. This is my first video on my install of my Noico 80mm sound deadening mat. So it's a mat, but it's like a lot of them. I got a 36 square feet, so that's pretty much 3 bundles of 3, and they're pretty decent sizes too. So I use one bundle on my trunk. I'm gonna use the other one on my front floorboards to help reduce with the tire roll in the trunk. I did it on my trunk and also on my rear deck lid. It actually improves the sound of the Harman Kardon, which I was surprised, and it sounds a whole lot better. It already sounds great. The Harman Kardon system already sounds awesome, but adding the sound deadening mat sounds just amazing. I'm gonna also be installing some on my headliner. The Noico 80mm sound deadening mat, it also helps reduce heat. And with anybody that has a Daytona version or has the black matte wrap hood, as well as the roof, it attracts heat. They say it's supposed to block heat, but with the sunroof and stuff, I feel like it attracts a lot of heat. So that's why I'll be doing the install on my headliner soon. I'll be doing an update on that, and I'll be doing a 6-month update on my trunk, as well as the headliner. This will all be done within a week. I've done my trunk already. Took a few hours just because of all the clips and taking out all the panels and stuff, and then laying it down and then reassembling it. So yeah, it was not tough at all. It's just more so measuring out the little small contour pieces that take up more of your time. But I think it's well worth the purchase at pretty much 140 bucks with the spray. I actually got the tape as well, which is only like 8 bucks. The spray was probably 14, and then the sound deadening mat, so around 170 out the door. No more than 170. But like, subscribe, comment. I appreciate the likes and follows, subscribes, all that stuff. I also have an IG channel as well.